Shabbat Smart Controller on horizontal hot water cylinder. So here we have the cold water inlet, and we have the boiler flow and return. Here we have pressure relief valve, hot water outlet, and secondary return. So near the hot water outlet, at the top of the tank, we installed the sensor. As you can see over there, the sensor is touching the top of the tank and has aluminum tape over it. We'll fill up the space with insulation, either with original insulation and close it, or if we don't have it anymore, we can spray insulation in and close it up. Then we have another sensor on the hot water pipe. Here is the head of the sensor right over here. Aluminum tape over it. We put it in the copper pipe as close as we can to the hot water tank, but not on the connectors. So on the copper tank over here, and then we will put some insulation over it, all the way insulation from here, covering all the way to here. We'll cover insulation and close it down. This is Shabbat Smart sensors for horizontal tank.